Welcome. If you've ever felt like you're missing notifications on Snapchat or just want to see everything in one place, you're in the right spot. Snapchat updates its layout pretty often, so finding all your notifications isn't always obvious. But don't worry, this is quick and super easy once you know where to look. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your full activity and alerts. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page where all your account settings and personal info are stored. Now, at the top of your profile screen, you'll see a notifications icon. It usually looks like a bell. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where Snapchat keeps track of your recent alerts, things like friend activity, mentions, updates, and more. After tapping the notifications icon, you'll notice different sections. To see everything in one place, tap on All. This shows you a complete list of your notifications